We all started off in the same place, but nowadays we look at our own brothers and sisters like we're a different race, different features and different faces. So division is our problem that we're faced with. But we are all black if we're keeping it basic, and this means we are one.
Hey guys, it's Big Niche and I hope you're ready for this speedy tutorial. So the first color that I'm going to apply is the Sculpt Powder from the True Complexion Contour Palette by Radiance in the shade Medium to Dark. And we're just going to apply that over the whole lid as a background color. Next, we're going to take a face paint crayon, a white face paint crayon, and just put a thin layer and outline it like we're about to do a cut crease, but we are not doing a cut crease. And the palette we're working in is the Warrior 3 by Juvias Palette, and it is gorgeous, guys. The first shade we are doing is that yellow shade, and we're just going to apply it into our inner corners and drag it out into the middle of the lid. The second color is going to be that green shade, and that is going to go into like the middle and drag that green into that yellow to give like an ombre effect. And the third color is going to be that red, and it's going to act as a tailbone color and kind of like a finisher. And just overlap the colors as much as possible. Blend, overlap, and it will give you a very seamless finished look. And be sure to clean up the corners as much as possible before we go forth with our next step. And a trick I did to make my colors pop more, after I applied them in the yellow, green, red formation, I do it backwards and apply red, green, yellow. And then next, we are going to grab our Revlon liquid eyeliner and draw a thin line to kind of outline the colors that you just applied. And to make the look pop a little, I'm going to add some glitter. And all these glitters are from my cosmetic line, and they will be listed in the description box below. And I'm applying my glitter with the Duo Lash Glue. And then we're going to take the same Revlon liquid eyeliner and give ourselves some wings so we can fly. And I did add a little bit of highlighter in my tear ducts. And the highlighter is from Juvias Place as well. And I've already contoured and applied my foundation, so we're just going to take a white pencil and put it in our tear ducts and apply that same color in that same pattern, yellow, green, red, and kind of overlap them and blend them out. And I'm going to apply my highlighter, which is the Trophy Wife mixed with the Juvias Place highlighter. And I'm going to line my lips with Coffee by e.l.f. And then the color that I'm wearing is Monte Carlo by NYX Cosmetics. And that's pretty much it for this look. Just put some gloss on, draw Africa, and slay the day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media.